Greetings of the day. Hi friends, greetings of the day. So now we are going to see the answers for the questions that I posted, last time for as a 4 parts. Okay. Now we will see for first part 1, and then for subsequently we will see for part 2, part 3, for 4. Okay. So now for part 1, the first question was, why do we go for beam forming? Okay, it is very much clear from Shannon's capacitor theorem that to enhance the SNR, okay, sorry, Shannon's capacity theorem, what it says is that if you improve the SNR and then the high throughput can be achieved. Okay, so also the beam forming will enhance the SNR and also improved cell edge performance, because in cell coverage you will not have good reception power at edge of the cell. Okay, so but in this beam forming, whether you are near to the cell or at the edge of the cell, so beam will be more or similar kind of gain, similar kind of receive power your mobile will get it. Next is high channel capacity. Why high channel capacity? As I mentioned sometime before, vast channel capacity theorem says if you enhance this SNR, then high throughput can be achieved. So answer is E. So all three, because of this, all three, and because of the sum of these, see, these are all the few advantages why we go for beam forming. Okay. Next is MIMO introduced in not in 5G. It's already been implemented in 4G because for enhance the data rate and other features. Okay. Some of the 5G deployment modes are non-standalone, standalone, dynamic spectrum sharing. Okay, all three are there. Still, there are some other variants are available. Okay, I think we have discussed in this 5G presentation what I have given. Next is centralized base station is widely used in what? Okay, centralized baseband processing. Centralized baseband processing is widely used in which situation? Femtocell and in-building coverage solution, because femtocell and in-building coverage solution, we will not have enough space to accommodate all this the radios and other things, and also connecting them with the core network is very difficult, because you can see that if you are a 20 floor 30 floor building, then you have to lay so much of cables and then get it connected with the cables, and also microwaves, you get it connected with the these things. So that's why they often prefer centralized baseband processing. Okay, because you can't have baseband processing at so in building or femtocell solution itself, because you can't afford the space there, and then you will not have much space. Okay, that's why. Next is match the following. Okay, so it's straightforward thing, because based on the use cases, use cases and its applications, we have to match the following. Autonomous cars, of course, it is ultra reliable, low latency communication. Industrial IoT is MMTC. Okay, and the high speed HD video streaming is nothing. It's obviously high data rate is required, so hence it is matched to EMBB. And augmented reality, virtual reality, it needs both, because it needs low latency communication and also the high data rate. Otherwise you can't feel of augmented or virtual reality. Next is very high speed data rate, certainly achieved by employing what? Okay, the one is obvious thing is that large spectrum, both in sub 6 and also in millimeter wave. Next is ultra densification. This is another point where instead of having one cell site, we can have multiple cell sites, so that so user would have sufficient radio resources. Okay, and next is spectral efficiency. So spectral efficiency, how they are achieving? Because of beam forming. Okay, so because of beam forming, they are going to achieve the high spectral efficiency. Okay, beam forming, and also the MIMO techniques, and so on. So multiple techniques are used to enhance the efficiency of the spectrum. Okay, and also carrier aggregation and use of multiple subcarrier spacing. So many more reasons are there, to accommodate this high spectral efficiency. Next is large cell coverage area is not the answer, because when you go for large cell coverage area, then you will not have a good SNR, and therefore the data rates will not be high. So the answer is first three are the reason for the high speed data rate. Certainly some of the reasons for the high speed data rates in the 5G. Okay, next is what all technologies can probably coexist with the 5G. So it's obviously, it has been not probably, it's already been proved that these are all the some of the most 5G will not will not be working alone. It has to coordinate with many things, many Wi-Fi networks, small networks. So that's why ORAN concept is coming up. So anyone can invent something, and then they can integrate with the 5G network. So because they can offer small coverage solution, and then they can integrate with the 5G, so they can when the user comes into the 5G network, he can make use of that 5G network. So it makes sure that everywhere the connectivity is being established. Okay, so Sigfox, LoRa, Zigbee, so many more. Okay, AABC. So that's it. So next we will go for we will see for part 2. Okay, in next video. Thank you.